I've been hearing a lot about, sick. I've been hearing a lot about ericdoa on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, everywhere because of his live stream where he's saying, "Imagine if Ninja got a low taper fade." It's so catchy and it's so fire. It just goes to show that as long as you have some sort of melodic background or melody and emotion to it, you can make anything, you can make pretty much anything sound good, regardless of how crazy the lyrics are. He's such a cool artist. I've been listening to his second SoundCloud account, ericdoa2, where he posts like covers and stuff. I don't know if he's been as active on it as of lately, but his Lana Del Rey cover of Young and Beautiful is so fire. But we're going to sample Eric Doa's vocals in this stream and make a beat out of it, specifically the part where he says, "Imagine if Ninja got a low taper fade," and we're going to have fun with it, so let's get into it.
Imagine if Ninja got a low taper fade. Imagine if Ninja got a low taper fade.
Okay, let's start off by finding the BPM of this sample. We're going to open up Edison and press on Edit Properties. If we find this setting called Auto Detect, we'll press Detection for songs with constant tempo and it'll tell us the actual BPM we can work at. So we're just going to change that now.
Imagine if Ninja got a low taper fade.
Sweet, so that's all done. We'll just bounce it out now and chop it all out. By the way, Edison doesn't necessarily give the accurate BPM. Sometimes you do have to count it out, but I just use it as like a tool, just to sort of gauge where it's at. So all I've done now is just reverse it, and now I'm going to select out the different sections that actually sound good. I'm really happy with the outcome of that sample. Now we're just going to work on if there's any other elements we can find in the sample itself to make secondary melodies. We'll just try it out and see how it goes. I'm going to try adding Valhalla Supermassive and see how that will warp the sample. If we chop it up, like it will extend a little bit. Basically what we've done is we've taken the original sample I've made from chopping it up, reversing that, and then using the Valhalla sample edit I created too, and making something unique out of that as well for the verse section basically. So for the Valhalla sample edit section, I use this guitar rig preset and the following. And this is the result. I'm going to use the ericdoa vocal now to create sort of a crash effect as well. Alright, we're going to shorten the stem of this audio here and add Valhalla Supermassive on it to create that crash.
Low taper fade.
Alright, I'm pretty happy from that chop up sample we made. Now let's add the drums. of all those drums put together, it sounds like this. That's it. I'll arrange the beat and put it at the end of the video. I'll put the FL project file in the link below in my Patreon, and give it a like. Give me some feedback. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.